also note that there's actually a platform that is going to pay you more than $100 every week for simply reposting their content on your social media platforms. So what is this platform and how does it work? Well, without wasting any of your time, let's jump in. Well, this platform is no other than Whop, and all you have to do is simply visit the link in the description and go ahead and create an account by clicking on sign up. Then simply enter in your email and create an account, or create an account using a Google account or any of these social media platforms. So as for me, I already have an account, so I'm going to skip this step. So once you create an account, all you need to do is simply click on profile and then click on connected accounts. So what you will need to do here is simply connect your social media accounts to Whop. And all you need to do, for example, if you'd like to connect your Instagram account, simply click on Instagram, then paste in your Instagram URL here. Okay, so I'm going to copy out my Instagram URL, which is this one here, and I'll simply paste it here, just like that. Now, to confirm that I own this Instagram account, I have to copy this code and add it to my bio or description section. So I've copied it. Then I simply click on edit profile. Then I'm going to add the code in my bio there and I'll paste it. And I'll click on submit. Profile saved, and I'll simply have to click on verify. Okay, so I've successfully verified my Instagram account, and just like that, it has been added. So repeat this process for any other social media platform that you own. Make sure that you connect them. When you're done with that, simply go to discover and simply join any groups that are related to your niche or what you do or what you post about or what you're interested in. And all you have to do is scroll down until you find content rewards. So choose a group that will interest you. So I tried out this to see if it really works, and it actually worked and has actually paid. So let me just show you how much money I made. Okay, so my channel is related to crypto and forex trading. So I joined this group with a Bitcoin capitalist. So with a Bitcoin capitalist over here, okay, they're actually paying $0.50 per 1,000 views you get simply by reposting their content. So all you need to do is click on it, and when you click on it, you're going to have the requirements, and the requirement is simply tag Bitcoin capitalist in the videos. Then you'll be given the assets like the videos which you have to post, and simply download them and choose any and repost them. So there's nothing like you having to edit, do anything. Simply have to download and post. Once you are done with that, okay. But remember to follow the instructions and always read. So they say that you have to, okay, submit within 1 hour of posting. So all you have to do is click on submit. When you click on submit, enter in the link to the video and upload the same file that you uploaded online and simply submit. Then you will start getting paid on every 1K views that the video gets. So here is the video that I posted. Okay, it actually got 1,116 views, and I posted it yesterday. Okay, so yesterday on Monday 14th at 131 views. Okay, by night time finally went on to 1,000 views, and currently now it's on 1,116. Probably by tomorrow I should have like 2,000 views. So okay, so here's the notification. Bitcoin capitalist actually paid me 0.50 for getting views on this content. Alright, and this balance is actually here, and as you can see, the balance is here. So all I have to do is simply look for more Whops and repost their content. So there's no limit to how many content you can post. I simply have to join a lot. So now that I've seen for myself that this is working, I'm actually going to join a lot of Whops and try out their content rewards and see how much money I can make in a week. Yeah, but for now, this is Keith.